Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Samsung has just released their new flagship smartphones, Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus, and is becoming quite popular. If you have decided to get this amazing smartphone, the second most important thing is which color you would like to choose from, as it comes in variety of color options. In this video, I will show you all the color options available for this stunning smartphone and compare them. I will also be making a lot more videos on Galaxy S22 series. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon to see all my future videos. Also, you can click over here to see all my unboxing videos. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Let's start with all the colors Samsung is offering for this smartphone. There is Phantom White, Phantom Black, Green and a new Pink Gold for the local market. There are some more colors which is only available exclusively for online purchase in some countries, but not in the stores like Graphite, Cream, Sky Blue and Violet. I must say Samsung always brings some cool new colors every year. Let's start with the first color, Phantom White. It's our familiar classic white color with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and aluminum frame. Being a classic color, you can't go wrong with this, but it's not a new color. Now let's see the green color variant. I quite like this color. It's a dark green color with a similar color frame and definitely looks quite unique and impressive. Now let's see the Phantom Black color variant. Once again, it's nothing new but a classic black color. A must-have for any smartphone. Matte finish at the back makes it look premium and feels like a flagship smartphone in hand. Now let's see the new Pink Gold color. It's a beautiful subtle pink color with a rose gold finish. Definitely an eye-catching color with a silver aluminum frame. There are 4 more colors available online in some countries. I did not get a chance to see them, but kudos to Samsung for giving unique and different colors year after year. So that's all for this video guys. Please let me know in the comments below which is your favorite color. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.